If you are a braider, you will know that the most dangerous part about this skill is dipping your hair in hot water. This part is so much dangerous that it has caused more harm than good. Uh, till date, my daughter has a phobia for this step because one time her scalp got burned. And if you are a braider, you know that this is a very necessary step. In fact, you can't do without it, especially if you want curls. Even if you don't want curls, dipping your the tip of your extensions in hot water seals the extension. Even if you're doing like straight braids. Now, there's a tendency of the extension losing, unraveling, or whatever thing you might call it. Once you dip it in hot water, it's kind of like a seal. It also helps to smoothen out the hair. It helps to make your extension lightweight. One reason why people don't like putting extensions on their hair is because of the weight. But once you dip it in water and it's dry, it makes it lightweight. Another reason why we dip extensions in water is to smoothen out and to um like make the flyaways lie into your hair, making it very seamless, natural, and beautiful. As you can see me, the areas where I didn't dip in hot water, I used the steam to like smoothen those flyaways, making the extension and the braids very smooth. Right? If you are working alone, you have to take your time. Now, depending on the kind of extension you use, it's important for you to use now what can I say? Don't use boiled water. So for example, if your kettle has boiled, you can leave it sit for about 5 minutes before you dip it in hot water. That way the extension is not losing its color. If you put it in immediate boiled water, there's a tendency of the extension having the run out if you're using color. Another thing is that when you're dipping your extension in water, please make sure that you are ending where the natural hair ends, right? And where the natural hair ends, because hot water can cause hair breakage, it can cause split ends. And if you are dipping your client's natural hair in that hot water, it's going to damage. Like when she takes off her hair and she's combing it out, she'll have a lot of breakage. So avoid dipping the natural hair into the hot water. What you can do, which I did earlier on, was is to use your hot towel and use only the steam and not the hot water to press on the areas where her natural hair is. Does that make sense? Right. Okay. If you want a seamless and perfect look, you could go, if you're working with straight braids, you could go over with your dryer. That's the original dryers come with different heads. You could go over your dryer with a particular head. I think it's on one of my videos, and you smooth it down on medium heat. Once you smooth it down on medium heat, you smooth all your braids on medium heat before you dip it in hot water. That way, you get a very smooth, silky finish look. What are some of the things you should be mindful of when dipping your braids in hot water? Please comment down below. Let us learn. This is a learning curve for all braiders, for all those who are interested in beauty tips. Like I said, it can be easier when you're working with somebody else, but if you're working alone, you just have to take your time. Now, they're selling some mats that you can always put on the clients, which is like waterproof. So even if there's a pour, it's not going to burn your clients. But the most important thing, be careful of the steam. The steam sometimes is the one that touches the scalp of your clients, and then they cause panic, and then they can shake and pour the water on you. As a braider, what are some of the difficulties you have faced being in this field? Please, if you're gaining value out of this video, please do well to like. We really appreciate if you comment. It will help the algorithm. And if you know anyone who's a breeder, you can share this video with them. Your like and your comments will go a long way to supporting this page. Please support the small business. We are located in Tree House Lane, Charlie, and we'll be so glad to see you. One advantage of knotless braids is that on with when you're done with your braids, you can tie it that same day. With regular braids, I'm telling you, there's no way I would have been able to tie this girl's hair like this, but with the knotless braids, we're able to achieve this. So guys, we are looking forward to having you in our shop. What do you think about this color? I so love the color. This color is giving all what it's supposed to give. It is giving, and it is giving. Yeah, so we prioritize our clients. We really like that color was not really giving, so I decided to brighten it up with the orange. So guys, yep, that's it for the video of today. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any other thing that you want us to talk about, please do well to comment down below. Like I always say, we prioritize our clients and we always make them feel like they really came in the salon. After that, we usually do our aftercare. Our aftercare sometimes include like we do eyebrow grooming for clients who need it. If we have time, we can even go as far as tinting the brows. We do your edges, and we do all those small touches that will make you feel like you came into the salon, right? We give you the best aftercare there is to give. I just love this color, like really I love this color. We have all types of extensions in our shop. Never forget your mousse. Your mousse is very important to keep those curls, in place for a long period of time. After that, we are going to cut the ends and to give it a nice finished look. Guys, what do you think about the color of this hair? What do you think about this video? What do you think about the knotless braids? Is this something you're going to be trying, or you can send your daughter to us, send your daughters to us? We'll be more than happy to give them a great braids like this. I'm in love. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, like I said, like and comment and follow the page for more content like this. You can give us content ideas. We'll really appreciate. Have a blessed day. We love